Luxury redefined. The 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre, boasting a striking two-door coupe design, is an ode to elegance and timeless beauty. With its iconic front grille and signature Spirit of Ecstasy, the Spectre exudes an air of sophistication that sets it apart from the crowd. Every inch of this masterpiece is meticulously crafted, a true testament to Rolls-Royce's unwavering commitment to perfection. Uncompromising performance. Under the hood, the Spectre houses a formidable front motor with current-excited synchronous AC, delivering 255 horsepower and 269 lb-ft of torque, paired with the rear motor, generating a staggering 483 horsepower and 524 lb-ft of torque. The combined power output stands at an astonishing 577 horsepower. This symphony of power enables the Spectre to effortlessly accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds and reach a top speed of 155 miles per hour, proving that electrification doesn't mean compromising on performance. Electric marvels. At the heart of the Spectre lies a 102.0 kWh liquid-cooled lithium-ion battery pack, promising an EPA estimated electric range of 260 miles. With its impressive onboard charger capable of 22.0 kilowatts, the Spectre can be charged conveniently and efficiently. For those seeking a quick refill, the peak DC fast charge rate of 195 kilowatts ensures minimal downtime, making long-distance travel an absolute breeze. Luxury. Wrapped in comfort. Step inside the Spectre's luxurious cabin and you'll be enveloped in the finest materials and craftsmanship that Rolls-Royce is renowned for. Designed to accommodate 4 passengers in the lap of luxury, the Spectre offers generous passenger volume and a spacious trunk with 13 cubic feet of storage, perfect for your grand adventures. Environmental responsibility. The 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre not only promises exceptional performance, but also reflects the brand's dedication to environmental responsibility. With an EPA estimated combined fuel economy of 73 mpg, the Spectre sets a new standard for luxury electric vehicles, ensuring a greener and more sustainable driving experience. Pricing and availability. The pinnacle of automotive luxury comes at a starting price of $422,750, reflecting the unmatched craftsmanship and engineering that define Rolls-Royce. Production is set to commence soon, and enthusiasts worldwide eagerly await the first deliveries in 2024.